You will be amazed by this 2021 Mazda CX-9. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 70,000 miles on the odometer. This handsome CX-9 delivers family-oriented utility with a big dose of driving pleasure. Relax in the near-luxury feeling cabin, feel the adrenaline of smooth athletic power, and enjoy the confidence that comes with three-row spaciousness and advanced safety features. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, head-up display, heated and/or cooled front seats, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, heated driver's seat, keyless entry, moonroof, navigation system, heated rear seat, heated mirrors. Feel energized and confident in this family-focused CX-9. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.